Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, September 19, 10 ang umaga. Kagigising lang namin and sobrang mainit sa labas at wala pa kaming ligo, guys. Uy, ito pa rin yung suot ko kagabi and I think it's okay kasi diba magsiswimming din naman kami. So, ano na lang, isang buuhang shower na lang mamaya. So, anyway, aalis kami mamayang konti, maghanap kami ng pagkain. And yeah, it's a warm day today, really nice, and it's also nice because we had a long sleep because somehow, you know, all the travel and this and that is like making you feel tired, but it's okay. And yeah, gulo-gulo na buhok ko, but ganun talaga. Grabe ang init, guys. Uy, tingnan niyo, parang nasa Pinas lang talaga ba? So yummy.
Maybe it's a stupid time to eat.
Sarap niya. Tapos yung bread niya is ano siya, a bit thick. Kain tayo. Kain tayo.
Outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth, and I'm not leaving while you're breathing. I won't run.
So yan guys, we just got back. Sobrang init-init sa labas. So we needed to come back here. At bumili pala ako ng dress, guys. Or 27 euro siya, pero nakasale siya. So it's like 22. I paid 22 for this. It's also okay. Nice color. So summery thing. So maybe I'll wear that later pag nakaligo na ako.
Nakaligo na ako!
Take your order, sir, I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small